Tesla had a nice little bounce, but that's because there's a lot of support. I do think it's still gonna run. Tesla's still gonna run in my opinion. But we just need to wait, you know, let's wait on it. Now we have a nice little, okay, now we have something different. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, now we should enter. Should we enter? 860, 1, 860. I'm gonna risk $60. Okay, wish me luck, guys. 1. Oh my gosh, I hate this mother. 1. I'm gonna do it. Oh no, we're at 830 already. I bought it. 840. I'm in. Stop loss. Come on, Spy. Push up. Come on, Tesla. Come on. Show me 73. Show me 73. Close above here. No. Come on, Tesla. Q. Get up. Okay. Let me breathe. Come on, Q. No. I'm a little nervous. Oh. Come go. No. Up. Spy's pushing up. Spy's gonna push up. There we go. Spy's gonna push up. Come on, mother effing Spy. I'm looking at square. Look, I'm like, come on, Spy, and it's square. Man. Spy, there. Ooh, beautiful. Spy, freaking hoe. Shoot up. No. Come on. Risk to reward is really good. We're pushing. Let's go, fam. Right now I could exit for a $10 profit. Oh, no. Okay. Don't. Yes. Come on. We have a beautiful wedge right there. That's why I entered. Why did I enter? Because after a lot of trading, we have a nice wedge. Come on. 780. Who cares? Come on. Stop. No. Come on. We're up $20. We're up $20. Come on, go, baby girl. Come on. I love you so much. Yes. Spy is pushing. Let's go, fam. Let's go. Q. Nice bullish candles. On the 1 minute. Let's go to 5 minutes now. All right. Consolidation zone. We are in a little wedge. We have to be very careful if we see around 68. Let me actually draw that so I can be cautious. I can be aware of that. Right there. But right here, we have a nice pull right there. If it goes under this, we're going to exit our position immediately. We are up, fam. We are up $50. I love it. Come on, give it to me, baby girl. Give it to me. Go. We're not going to exit yet. Where's our profit target? Our profit target is right here, 77. We're going to hold. We're up. We're up $92. Let me share with you guys. 92, 97, 100. Ooh, I really want to take it. It hurts. I really want to take it. I would really want to take it. But what I'm actually going to do is modify my order. And we entered at 840. So we'll actually exit at, I really want to take it. 860. Fuck it. Come on, baby girl. Tesla. You did the hard work already. Go. How? Go. No. Baby girl. I want, you see, that's why I wanted the mega rejection off Spy. Mega rejection, but Tesla gives no damns. Mother effing Tesla, go, you piece, go. I mean, I love you. I love you so much, Tesla. If you do this for me, like, I don't know. Come on, Tesla. I'm up $60, $50. I'm gonna lock in $20. That's what I'm risking. I'm in profit, $20. We're gonna go for it. It hurts. It really hurts, guys. Like, I want to take those $90 ASAP right now. But if we can hold above 74, you know, if we can hold above 74, we can go to 77, and our profit will be nice. Now we're up 102. You know, we were only up 115. There we go. Let's go, family. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready to get out. I'm ready to get out. That was a beautiful push. That was a beautiful push. I'm gonna cancel my order, and I'm gonna be selling the ask. I'm selling the ask, whatever that is. I'm gonna modify it. We're at 10, 9.95. I want to ask. There. Get me out. 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 Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. 980. There we go. Beautiful exit. Beautiful. That was lovely. We're gonna go above it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch this mother freaking hoe. Watch it. We exited at 980. Oh. Yeah, reject. I don't care. Reject. Die, Tesla. Die. Tesla. Make me look really good. Make me look really good selling this house. I'm just kidding. Look, you have so much nice, beautiful momentum. It can hit it. It can hit it, but I was done. I sold at 980. I'm happy. I'm happy. You see, we could have still sold it. Right there. 980 as at the bid. Would have sold it because we were asking for that. Would have been filled. So I'm happy. Our profit was $840 to $940, $140. Let's go, fam. Let's go, family. Beautiful trade. How did we do that trade? Bam. Nice. We had to wait it out right here. That was a little kiss me, boy. Oh. I'm listening to music. Sorry, guys. I kiss me, baby. So that's why I'm singing. But I turned it off on my settings, so you guys won't. I will get copyrighted. All right, guys, let me show you. So right now it's actually a good time to enter. Oh, yep, 950. I like the 950. I like this spot right here. I like that spot for entry. But hold up, red flag, alert. Let me share with you guys this. What's going on? Tesla's looking good. We can still hit the profit target if you're willing to stomach it out. Contracts are at 960, so $10, $20 under where I sold. But either way, SPY. Look at this mother effing hope. Look. Oh, and QQQ. Remember? Bear flag alert. And yes, this is on the 5 minutes, so it's actually a pretty valid bear flag if it breaks. How low can it go? Yeah, the next support. I wouldn't doubt it. Let's measure our stick. Yep. But it's holding. But this made me nervous right here where I saw this breaking. Tesla, remember I told you 950 was a pretty good entry. Now we're looking at 985, 980 on the bid right there. That was actually really, really good. If you want to stomach it, it'll hit it. It's gonna hit it. That was a good entry. I didn't buy because I was nervous now with the, you see? You can't get, these are to shake you out. Shake you out for chickens. That used to be me. I used to be a very chicken. Remember, guys, I wanted to sell so bad for $80, $90 right here, but we held it out. 140. Let's go, fam. Beautiful day. First trade. That was awesome. I didn't want to scalp these because I didn't really like the, because, they could easily reject, which they kind of did. I would have had some time to get in and out. But right here was another beautiful. This was beautiful right here. This one, I missed this one. I was chicken to do this one, but I had more confidence in a nice consolidation that we were going to pop, and I'm still bullish and confident that we'll hit 777, 66, or 69. Ooh, 980 on the bid, 980 on the bid. That's where we sold, so that's looking good. It's nice little wedge, finding pressure. It could touch it one more time right here, my support line at 74.70, but that's a little dangerous if you go under 70. There he goes. Now it's at 10. We could have gotten 10 right there, right then. That's why I love this entry of 995 right here. We could have gotten in. What was the low? The low was 923. Someone got stopped out mega big time. That used to be me getting stopped out all the time. But 950 was a beautiful entry. You would have been up $50. Oh, rejected. Big rejection. SPY's taking off right now, so this actually could be another nice little entry right here. It's shaking out people. Bids are asking 950. Am I willing to enter? Let's see. Let's take a look. Looking bullish right here. Nice bullish candle. I would want to. Okay, okay, okay. I think it could come up here. SPY's taking off. Mega drowning on Tesla. Tesla's contracts are now at 940. Yep, 940. Let's look at the volume. That's what I want to see after the close. Ooh, pushing so much down. 930, 930, 920, 920. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I got to share with you guys. What the heck is going on? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Damn, 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 damn. People stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out. People are scalping this. You know, they want to go long. You know. Sheesh. I'm glad I'm just using Fibonacci levels. They're helping me out a lot, remember? I'm bullish above here. But the fact that we're under it, oof, 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 now it's just chop. Now what I have to do is fix my lines. So now we're in a zone. We're in a consolidation zone. Actually, I could delete this mother effing line and just use this line that was my profit target and readjust it to where we're finding support and resistance. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm actually gonna bam. And then this one, can we have more pressure to the upside? Let's clean it up. There we go. Damn, damn, damn. On the bid, we have 920. Yep, 920 for the calls that I was looking at. The one that we sold for 980. Oh, we're under 9. That's not looking good. Under 9. That's Tesla. And we're really squeezing right here on SPY. Okay, I actually want to short. No, 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 no. I cannot short. I cannot short. I cannot short. Sorry, guys. I cannot short. I've lost too much money shorting freaking stocks. You know, like trying to short Tesla right there. Hell nah. Hell, oh, it's a resistance to sell. Short, 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 short. Nah, 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 fam. No, fam. The probabilities of touching my profit target of 77.69 was much greater than what the freak happened here. You know, what the freak happened here? This is where you gotta manage your risk. Right here, you're paying premium. You paid me $9.80 for my contract, and now it's worth, it touched $9. Now it's at $9.30 because it's finding a little bit of a pull up. All right, SPY is pushing up. You see, that's why I'm like, what was that thought? What was that mother effing thought in my head? Maybe I should short it. Nah, fam, look at that, look at that. Short it? What the freak's wrong with you? It's beautiful, QQQ, beautiful. If it closes right there on the 5 minutes, that'll be very bullish. Ooh, and it's giving it some space to breathe. We're at 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. SPY calls. SPY calls. Wow, 80 cents. Now they're at almost touching 110. But I'm okay. Whew. I love that Tesla trade. That was beautiful. I loved it because it was a nice, beautiful wedge. Saw it, took action, put a nice tight stop loss. Because if it would have, you know, started seeing 760, you know, 70, 60 right there and under that, oof, we could have really, the same way it shot down right here, it could have shot down right there. And I would have been out easily $80 to $100 if it would have. So would have my stop was pretty tight, but that was because I had confidence that the wedge was going to pop to the upside. Right. Very good. That was a proper move. Now it recovered nicely. Tesla recovered nicely because the volume was actually very low with this push down. So it was only natural that it's not that difficult for it to go back up. But again, you never know where the bottom is. It could have came down to this support line. So contracts are at 980 again. So could have diamond handed it. All you have to do is diamond hand it, right? It's so easy. Easier said than done, right? So right now I'm scalping Tesla. So actually what I want to see is right, like more consolidation, maybe around 8 o'clock my time. I'm in California. Around 8 it can start going. We also want to make sure the indexes, you know, find more strength. QQQ champ. QQQ was a nice trade right there. Buying calls right here. Support. But it is what it is. We did not. You see, look at this chop on Tesla. You see? Even though right here is my bullish, my Fibonacci to go long, it doesn't matter. Nothing matters. What matters is managing your risk. Look at this. After I left, I sold, right, guys? I sold. I saw it down. Whatever. Tesla's dumb. Whatever. It got steam and it shot up. And exactly what I wanted. This is what I wanted right here. But no. Could I have it? No. No. You know, my profit target was only 769, and piece of poop went all the way to almost 790. It wants to go. Look. Oh my God. This is what. Come on. I even saw it. I'm like, But no, of course. Look where the contract's at. Look where the mother effing contract's at. 1650. 1650. I could have. Oh, Tesla contract. Why am I looking at Peloton? I don't know. But anyways, Tesla. Of course. Just because it's me. Because it's me. Because it's me. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's trading day. We'll be back tomorrow for even more delicious trades. Damn it. Look. This is what I was supposed to do. You were supposed to move your freaking... You know, after that, it's like go like this. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. And then connect it to this. You know, it's fine. Connect it to that. Bam, bam. Guess what you got right here? A breakout. A mother effing breakout. Gosh. Could have entered right here. I was looking at it right here. Could have entered, but not so much confirming. Confirming right here. Right here is 729, basically 730. Let's look at the contracts. 730. Oh my goodness. No way. 729. The high is 935. The next one is high is 1005. My goodness. And now it's at 16. I can't. My corazon. My heart. Look at that. Look, it's so beautiful. Look at it. Look, compare it. Add it to the day before. Consolidation. Bam. My goodness. Of course. Yeah. Hey, mother effer. That's me. I'm the... God. Look, and the volume. The volume picked up right when I was done. Oh, my God. I just came back to my screen, saw this, and now I want to cry.